Hi everyone and welcome to weekly Forex recap. April 1st and this is no joke, of course. We are serious, so we will go with 6 different setups as always each week. And of course, we will see results for last week. Before I start, have in mind that CFD Forex and leverage products can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Have in mind that you fully understand that you need to ensure that fully understand the risk involved before you start trading. And everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. So these are the trading rules, guys. We always go with the same rules, always enter the zone. We need always to add the spread to our stop loss. And my recommendation is add 5 plus the spread number of pips to your stop loss because we all trade with different brokers platforms, right? So my advice is to always add to approximately 7 to 8 pips to the stop loss I give you. These are free webinars, so for more setups, of course, sign in for ECS live Telegram channel where I provide each day I provide signals, trading ideas, and of course trade management. Today the market is moving. Some markets are moving. GBP is having a big reversal to the upside, while other pairs such as euro dollar are following the trend. Okay, so these are results for the last week. Euro dollar was good for 75 pips. GBP dollar was good for 60 pips. The Australian dollar was good for 75 pips. Dollar CAD 70 pips. Bitcoin dollar 140 pips. Gold 70 pips. Total pip pool was 490. So this was the maximum available number of pips you could have made with my setups. Euro dollar and the Bitcoin dollars. Bitcoin dollar were the trades of the week. And last week we didn't have any loss. Also with my ECS live group, we had 9 out of 9 winners. Today we had 1 winner and 1 loss, but we overcome the loss with, of course, my strict money management rules, as I explained in the Camerla MACD course and on ECS.live. The point is, guys, that you always need to stay true to your trading rules. This account is 4 months old, started in December 2018 when I did a major upgrade to Camerla MACD, and you see it's in profit. Currently, this is one of my accounts. It's approximately 12% in profits. Very, very small drawdown. Very conservative risk management. Each trade 0.5% risk, up to 3% overall, not exceeding 5%. You can also see it, of course, on myfxbook.com. Okay, so these are results for previous week, and this is how it was. Vertical line represents the time of the webinar. So basically, just after my webinar, the price went into the POC zone and it dropped. So euro dollar was very, very good. Straight drop from the POC zone here. GBP dollar, same thing happened. Straight drop from this zone. This is the POC zone, and the price went to 31.60. Then it went higher and then dropped heavily. But this was a nice move, and you could also profit from this move too. The Australian dollar, we had a sell at 71.40. The price went into a sell territory and rejected to the downside, making dollar plus 75 possible pips. Dollar CAD 33.80 rejection, straight from the POC zone rejection towards 34.50. So nice move. Again, this could have also been the trade of the week. Very, very nice move by the dollar CAD, and I think that this was also a very, very, very interesting pair to trade last weekend. This is what you could have made. The Bitcoin dollar, again, each week, guys, the Bitcoin dollar is providing us with great movement and great setups. Although I'm not trading it actively, I always analyze the Bitcoin dollar because it's as every other asset. It's a speculative asset. So for me, it's not a problem to analyze it. The leverage is a bit low. It's 1 to 2 for the Bitcoin, but a lot of traders always ask me and thank me for a very, very nice and accurate analysis of the Bitcoin dollar. So this is what you always see on the ECS live. And you can see the Bitcoin dollar rejected from 38.80 straight towards 40.30. So you could have made nice pips if you are a Bitcoin trader. Gold was rejected for 70 pips again, straight from the POC zone, 13.12, exactly at the POC zone, rejection for some 70 possible pips. So a very good result. So last week, excellent result. Total pip pool was 490, and I hope that you also made nice pips with it. This week setups, guys. Today we had a sell on ECS live channel. We had a sell. I closed it for 25 pips. Now the price is still moving down, but I'm okay because I made profits. And actually, euro dollar is, I can say it's a small range, but it follows the trend contrary to the GBP that was really going too much to the upside, in my opinion. So yeah, GBP is very speculative at this point, and any headline that goes live actually is risky, very risky. So again, euro dollar was very good, and this week I also expect it to be good. So yeah, this is, guys, a typo, sorry. Of course it's a sell position, not a buy position. So euro dollar is a sell around 12.50, stop loss 12.75, TP 11.65, alternative buy 11.65, stop loss 11.30, TP 12.20. Euro dollar again followed by my Camarilla MACD perfectly, guys. You see a lot of rejections. This system is called Camarilla MACD, and of course it's a profitable system, profitable matter that I trade each day, guys. And you can see here profit, very small risk, guys, and of course with different accounts, different risk appetite probably. So yeah, if you follow my trade recommendations, guys, well, then you should be very safe. Today we had a loss on GBP-Yen. It was 40 p plus with 0.5% of risk, but then we managed to grab profits by closing 25 pips with 1% of risk. Don't forget, the secret of success is no more secrets. Forex is profitable as long as you understand that holy grail is your risk management. You need to have a very good method, okay, such as Camarilla MACD, but of course you need also to know about risk management and follow your money management rules religiously. Only then you can be successful in Forex trading. Forget about everything what other people tell you. This is the only truth in Forex market. Of course, unless you're running some algo robot that costs like I don't know, a couple of hundred of $1,000, and then maybe on high frequency trading you can make money. But with manual trading, this is absolute truth in Forex market, and I can always testify that money management is the holy grail in Forex trading. Of course, as I always say, you need to have a profitable method. This was euro dollar today. Perfect rejections from euro dollar. Nice zigzag pattern. 4-hour time frame also shows a nice movement, and you can see my Camarilla MACD again made it profitable. So price is trying to reach this zone 11.65. If it gets there, guys, watch for reversal patterns, historical buyers there. I guess we could make some money. We could make some money by buying around 11.65, but this is counter trend trade, so be careful. The GBP dollar is in downtrend. Sell is 31.90, stop 32.20, TP 30.90. Alternative buy comes at 30.90, stop loss 30.50, and target is 32.20. So the GBP dollar, I will open it right now. This is the GBP dollar. Yeah, it started to move a bit to the upside, and it looks like the trend is changing here. Obviously, if the price gets there, I think it could be bought. 30.90 is daily H3. Now it's at the top of the ATR projection, so it could actually drop. But anyway, guys, this is a buy. This is a sell here around 31.90. The Australian dollar, well, ranging mostly 71.40 sell, stop loss 71.80, TP 70.50, alternative buy 70.50, stop loss 70.20, TP 71.40. So this is the Australian dollar. You see the higher time frame Bollinger Bands are flat. The price is congesting, and basically here we see that also the Bollinger Band is congesting too. So I guess this is ranging market. You see a bit of a range. So as previous week, guys, also the same setup as we had for the previous week. Sell is 71.40, stop loss 71.80, TP 70.50. Okay, so pay attention to these levels here. Now we have the dollar CAD. It's effectively in downtrend. Sell is 33.95, stop loss 34.20, TP is 32.90. Alternative sell 32.90, stop loss 32.60, TP is 33.50. So dollar CAD is still in downtrend, guys. We have a big reversal, but then again, you see it's a downtrend. The price moved a lot, and then if it gets there, I guess this could be a sell here around this spot, a nice sell here. Okay, and this is sorry guys, alternative buy trade. This is a typo, so alternative buy. Yeah, so this is what we might expect on the dollar CAD. Okay. Well, definitely this is a sell here. If it makes a reversal pattern, watch for some reversal patterns there. Cameral MACD automatically recognizes these patterns and rules, but if you don't have, of course, Cameral MACD, then pay attention to some reversal patterns from this level here. Bitcoin dollar 40.30 is a buy position, stop loss 39.30, TP 41.50, sell is 41.60, stop 42.60. Well, again, typos 40.60, and TP is yeah, actually this is like this 42.60, 40.30. So always 100 pips stop loss for the Bitcoin dollar, but do not exceed 1% of risk for the trade. Well, you need to have a bigger account, obviously, if you want to trade the Bitcoin dollar with a lower risk, also due to the leverage. This is the Bitcoin dollar. It's going up, so I guess the price could reject if it gets to 40.30, and we could see a sell a little bit higher. Of course, 41.60, guys. This is daily H5, and also if you go to 4-hour time frame, you see a lot of historical sellers there. So we could see actually a nice rejection. Okay, and finally, gold. Let me just check the gold because I didn't update the sheet and the trade idea. I will just take a look at now. I did an analysis, but I didn't remember. I don't remember which levels should be actually traded. Yeah, downtrend, so 13.00 is a sell. Well, 13.00, 13.05 stop. Buy is 12.80, I would say 12.80. Yeah, 13.00 is a sell. Stop loss 13.05. 12.88, I guess. Let me just check once more. No, 12.80 actually. Stop loss is TP is 12.80. This is now a buy position. Stop loss 50 pips. Always fixed stop loss on the gold. 13.00 here. So this is it, guys. I will now answer your questions, and then I will roll the slide. So roll slide. So New Zealand dollar Swissy. Okay, New Zealand dollar Swissy. Let me check. New Zealand dollar Swissy. This is New Zealand dollar Swissy. Yeah, well, the price is also making a reversal. Now the market is flat, so I guess if it starts rejecting from here, this could be a sell spot below this M pattern. If it makes M, this could be 67.80, 78 should be a sell, because then it will be an M. Pay attention to 67.72 and 67.56. But it's making, you see, some head and shoulders inverted, so it still could go up only above 68.12, or now it's rejecting, so pay attention to it. It's still in downtrend, but the market is flat now. Nothing to trade here. GBP dollar, What do you think about enter short now? I don't think about entering shorts. It could go down, but I'm not trading this, Ignacio, because simply put, I mostly trade trend trades. Counter trend trades have not been still redesigned with my Camarilla MACD until I thoroughly test counter trend trades, and I see the result that is very close to Camarilla MACD MTF trend trading. Only then I would go with the recommended sell, unless I do it like here from the major extreme levels. So I'm not thinking about sell now. If you want to sell, I think 31.90 is better level because you have more sellers there. You see, it can still go down because this is the resistance now and ATR projection, but to me this is better level, 31.90. Dollar yen. Yeah, dollar yen is uptrend now. I would say buy around 110.80 if it makes a reversal pattern. This is a buy trade. Target is 111.50. Above 111.50, your next target is 112.6. So dollar yen is indeed buy the dip. Now at this point, you see, and because this is the NFP week, you need to be very careful because the dollar could be bought, or it's usually bought before the NFP. So yeah, this is the case right now. Okay, do you have any other questions, guys? If you have any other questions, I will be glad to answer. If not, of course, then yeah. Regarding trade management, guys, this is a very good script. It's called Money Management Calculator. If you want to have it, you need to be a member on ECS Live, or at least a trial member. This is what we do. For example, I entered a trade with a stop loss that is 30 pips, and I decided my risk percent is 0.5% only. So according to this account, my lot size should be 0.20 lots. Very easy to use, guys, and very practical. I really make money consistently. You can come, you can sign up, not just these free webinars. Come at ECS Live trading room, see how we trade live, and money management is your holy grail, guys. Yeah. Okay, WTI oil. Let's see, WTI, sorry. Yeah, I mean, I would definitely wait. Just give me a few seconds. Yeah, it should be here. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing it. Wait, yeah, US oil should be. Yeah, I don't see it quite well here. Wait, I will. Uptrend. I would go with a long position around 59.80 here or here. So anywhere from 60 to 59.80 is a buy position. Watch for 61.55, strong resistance. But this is low. This is very, very long, very bullish. V-shaped reversal, diving board, inverted head and shoulders, big inverted head and shoulders. This is bullish market. So buy the dip. I would say buy the dip definitely on the WTI. Yeah. You see major reversal here on GBP yen. On GBP dollar, the price is really going heavily to the upside. It's being bought. Okay, guys. I don't see any further question. Any further questions? So I think I could roll the slides and we can call it a day. So this is euro dollar, this is pound dollar, this is the Australian dollar, and the dollar CAD, and the Bitcoin dollar, yeah, and the gold. Of course, this webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to ECS YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel. Come to our webinars. These are free webinars. On ECS Live, we have 4 webinars per week, and each day we provide trading signals with complete trade management and money management rules. Thank you guys for listening. I wish you a great trading week, As always, guys, cheers and trade safe.